First, power off the machine. Cut the cable tie in the back of door. Pull out cables a little for later operation. Use nut driver to remove nuts, and take out the cover plate. Peel off the paper on bill acceptor mounting plate. Place the mounting plate on the front of bill acceptor. Fixing the mounting plate on bill acceptor by using M4 nuts. Use nut driver to remove nuts from machine. Place the bill acceptor to the hole. Fixing the 4 nuts one by one. Connect bill acceptor's MDB cable male head to machine reserved MDB cable female head. Complete the installation. Use nut driver to remove the nuts, and take out the cover plate. This mounting plate is compatible for VXT and VQM reader, using M4*12 screws. Place the mounting plate on machine and fix it tight. Place the reader to the hole from machine outside. Then fix it on mounting plate using screws. Plug prepared MDB cable 1 male head to reader. Plug prepared MDB cable another male head to machine reserved MDB cable female head. Now remove the nuts and take out QR code scanner cover plate. Place the scanner to the hole. Place its mounting plate from back, and fix it tight. Plug the scanner cable WH010012 to 232 port. If you're using VXT reader, please plug scanner cable to J5 and COM port to complete the installation. If you're using VQM reader, this step can be ignored. Take Conco chainer as example. Pinch the release latch to separate upper part. Disconnect 2 cables at the back and take the upper part. There are 3 screws on machine match with 3 holes in coin chainer. Loosen the screws a little for later operation. Hang the coin chainer to specific position, secure the screws when necessary. Place back the upper part to coin chainer, connect 2 cables and secure the upper part. Check coin channel and mechanism work fine with coin chainer. Connect coin chainer MDB cable male head to prepared MDB cable female head. Organize the cables and use cable tie when necessary. First, peel off the paper from stud on the machine. Cut cable tie to loosen the modem power cable. If original connector is not compatible with modem, the connector can be replaced. If modem takes round DC connect, you can take out the square connector, and connect to reserved power cable to round DC connector. We need to use M2.5*6 screws to fix modem wings. Place the modem on specific position and fix it tight. There are 2 reserved antenna holes at the top of machine, and the rubber cork can be removed. Can use small antenna plate to cover the hole when necessary. Insert the antenna cable to the machine through the hole. Fix it tight by using the nut. Put the cable inward through the square hole at the top. Extension cable might be needed when antenna cable is not long enough. Connect Wi-Fi and 4G cables to modem. Plug in the power cable to the modem. Reboot the machine after installation. Close the door and all works done.